Welcome to SimTracker 2.0. In this video, we'll take a look at the overall look and feel of why SimTracker 2.0 exists. SimTracker 2.0 is designed to keep everything about your Sims organized in one place. Why would I want that? Well, before the SimTracker 2.0, I used Notion, Google Chrome, and multiple Excel files at the same time to manage everything I needed to play The Sims 2 in my way. As you can see, that setup uses a lot of RAM, while SimTracker 2.0 in excess uses much less. Using one system also makes backups easier and more reliable. It supports easy imports and exports with Excel, and it allows large amounts of data, especially from CPE, to be handled much more efficiently. SimTracker 2.0 is based on SimTracker for Windows 7, which has been created over 10 years ago, and sadly, the developer has passed away. But that version, SimTracker for Windows 7, is not expandable. I want a system that can grow with new gameplay features, mods, and tracking systems whenever needed. For example, I want to keep track of my Sims' driver's license, which is just not possible with SimTracker for Windows 7. SimTracker 2.0 was built around 5 main ideas: lower RAM usage, import possibilities, reliable backups, keeping everything in one system, and fully expandable. Now let's take a look at how SimTracker 2.0 is organized. So SimTracker 2.0 is organized in a simple way. Everything is split into clear sections, so you can quickly find what you need without digging through menus or files and click too much. SimTracker 2.0 is built around a few core ideas, which I mentioned before. First, import and export. You can bring data in from Excel that comes from SimPE and also export it again to Excel for backups or external use and expansion. How to do that, I'll explain in several other videos. Second, there are backups. That's in the same spot as the import and export. Everything is stored in a way that makes it easy to backup the whole file or specific data inside the system, so nothing gets lost. Also, this will be explained in another video how to do it. Third, everything is kept in one system. No switching between Notion, Excel files, or browsers. It all stays in one place. And finally, expandability. SimTracker 2.0 is not fixed. It is designed so new features, tracking systems, or mod-related data can be added over time without breaking the structure. Many creators have already built a lot of mods I'd love to include in SimTracker 2.0. I'd also really appreciate your feedback. If there's anything you'd like to see added or improved, let me know. This is still a pre-beta version, so now is the perfect time to suggest changes and shape what it becomes. As you can see, SimTracker 2.0 brings all your Sims data together in one place. It is designed to use less RAM, simplify backups, support imports, and provide an expandable system that can grow with your gameplay and mods. In the next videos, we'll take a closer look at each feature in more detail. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.